Hey, hello. So this one is going to be a pretty quick video, and I'm definitely recording that without any scenario, any script or something, because this is something that literally happened an hour ago, and I wanted to share the info with you from the first one. So what has happened is that according to Reuters, California regulator shut Silicon Valley Bank today and appointed the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation as a receiver, according to the agency's statement. Just think of it, the biggest Silicon Valley and the only Silicon Valley bank that existed since 1983 has been shut down today. And all the deposits, all the money have been frozen on their accounts, which means that technically a bunch of different startups and companies that were operating via it are currently on hold. This is just an incredible thing, and comparing to how important it is something similar to what happened in 2009 and 2008, with the crisis with the real estate market. Same thing is happening here. Anyway, keep talking. So shares of the bank were halted on Friday after they tumbled 66% in pre-market trading. Silicon Valley Bank is the first insured bank to fail in more than 2 years, the last being Alameda State Bank in October 2020. At the same time, the difference between the Alameda State Bank and the Silicon Valley Bank is tremendous and a huge one. And technically, here's what we have. So that Silicon Valley Bank had about 209 billion in total assets and about 1,075 billion in total deposits as of 31st December of 2022. Why is it important? Because technically this is something we've been talking a lot about in some videos about recession. You can view them here or here. You know that there are a bunch of different layoffs of the companies. There is a bunch of different things happening around the economics world because of the share stocks value being dropped down, etc. And this is the trigger that technically launches the recession into the period of crisis, similarly to what we had with the real estate market again. So technically, this seemed to be the main trigger that will launch the next wave of the shutting down of the companies, and all this startup history about the capitals, etc. It seems to be a bubble, a huge bubble, which causes such issues. So what you need to know about and what to do with that? First of all, it will show the next couple of days how the things will evolve and whether the bubble will start popping down, or maybe the companies will find a way to work around something around this. But it seems like the ones that don't have enough customer support and enough base of clients and are just living under the investments are currently under the attack. And I'm not sure if some of those will survive. Anyway, this news will be updated, and just take a look at what's going on, take a look at Bloomberg, at the other news and finance services, and just stay tuned. We will try to find out more about it as well. See ya.